Every industry needs workers, and smuggling is no different. But instead of job boards and interviews, recruits are found through social media, word of mouth, and quick cash offers. No experience, no problem, just a car and a willingness to run the risk. Troopers attempted to stop this driver, but, like so many others, he hit the gas. It's a pattern playing out way too often in border towns, a fast-paced game of catch-up, and DPS is doing what it can just to keep pace.
Go ahead and eastbound on Killam.
After recklessly driving on the wrong side of the road, the vehicle goes barreling down a dirt trail beneath the freeway at high speed until the road ran out.
We're in the construction area, right underneath the flyover. Construction area, underneath the flyovers.
10-4, construction area under the flyover. 10-4, still southbound on 35.
Then, like clockwork, doors fly open and bodies scatter into the brush.
Bailout. Subject has a polo shirt with a stripe. Subject has a polo shirt with a stripe. Polo shirt with a stripe.
Polo shirt, stripe.
You better hurry up, bro! You better hurry up! Get on the floor! And behind your back.
The trooper quickly caught up to the driver, ordering him to the ground at gunpoint. But once cuffed, the tone shifted.
¿Estás bien?
Ah, sí.
Okay.
Me cansé gacho.
I believe it. Me too, man.
Tenía bastante sin correr.
A quiet moment of mutual exhaustion, more gym banter than battlefield, yet just minutes before, it was chaos. The driver, a local from Laredo, now faces charges for smuggling of persons and evading arrest.
Bailout.
4 undocumented migrants were turned over to Border Patrol. For the trooper and so many others working the border, it's just another shift, another runner, another risk, just another day at the office.
Me cansé gacho.
I believe it. Me too, man.
To explore more videos demonstrating law enforcement support in border security, simply click on any of the thumbnails displayed on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Bailout.